This is the story of achieving excellence. The story of determination, hard work, and ideals. This is the story of Silver Line Group, a vertically integrated one-stop manufacturer and exporter of high-quality woven wear, fabrics, and yarns. Now, it is the largest conglomerate in textile and apparel sector in Bangladesh. Let's explore the huge kingdom of SLG, which has been built on the foundation of quality, innovation, and efficiency. The factory is in Hotapura, Gazipur, on a vast land of 80 acres with 3 individual units spinning, textile, and garments. The spinning unit started its journey with 38,700 spindles in 2002. It has now become a huge capacity of yarn production, which manufactures 32 metric tons per day. A group of dedicated workers works here to produce yarns in a customized combination of machines from Japan, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland. Using 100% pure cotton from assorted sources from USA, South Africa, Australia, and India, in its spinning premises, SLG produces yarns procured through contemporary machines from the world's leading brands. The production counts from 6S to 40s in the card, combed and compact in 100% cotton, rayon, modal, tencel and cotton linen blends, and OE yarns from 5s to 20s. It also has the latest technology of auto-leveling from Trutchler and draw frames from Reiter for least CV percentage and world best yarn testing technology from Uster. The quality of the yarn is closely controlled in the high-touch spinning lab. SLG started its yarn dyeing journey in 2014 to dye yarns using the most advanced technology from the world best bodies, Fongs, Detton and Lore to give the best results in the given format. It has a lab enriched with the best researchers and all the modern technologies. Every month, its yarn dyeing production capacity is more than 450 tons of world-class cotton along with other blends of yarns. The yarn dyeing flexibility is from 1 kilogram to 1.1 ton with auto-dosing and dispensing units. SLG also have its own sewing thread facility where they service the own garment and other vendor factories. SLG doesn't source any of its required dyed yarns from outside. This capacity can fulfill all its yarn requirements. The weaving shed is also enriched with high-tech machineries and expert weavers. SLG's weaving unit runs its operation with 232 air jet and rapier machines from Toyota and Picanol, sectional and direct warping and sizing from Karl Mayer, and auto leasing and auto knotting from Stably, all from the best technology brands of the world. The weaving wing monthly produces an average of 3.2 million yards of the best quality cotton and blended woven fabrics. Silver Line can dye all the gray fabrics it manufactures. Not only the high-tech machines, but also an experienced, expert, and dedicated team work here to ensure perfection in dyeing. SLG has 2 kinds of printing facilities, 16 color rotary and 32 head digital from world's best Reggiani, Italy. SLG is the first company to introduce digital printing in Bangladesh. Fulfilling its own demand, SLG supplies high-quality fabrics to its own vertical and other garments in Bangladesh as well as overseas. The unit also has a medical center and a childcare center for the workers. For the first time in Bangladesh, SLG introduced biological treatment plant, an advanced Italian technology which treats 100% of its wastewater and recycles them. It reduces the production cost and, most importantly, reduces environmental pollution. It has taken green environmental initiatives like water treatment plant and caustic recovery plant. SLG believes, to create a better world, it's necessary to care about the people and the planet. In the case of design, SLG seeks nothing but excellence. This is the field of absolute vision and creativity. SLG has a wonderful design team driven by experience, passion, knowledge, and creativity. The team has fashion designers, trend forecasters, graphic designers, and fabric specialists. Understanding the market trend and demand, this strong team designs fashionable dresses. They always try innovation in their design. Their vision directs the rest of the journey. To support the designers to showcase the final product and getting closer to buyers' requirements. SLG has sample garment washing facility from world best Tonello and dedicated workforce working round the clock to give one-stop solution. And this luxurious guest house is for all the buyers with all the modern amenities and 24/7 concierge service to make it more comfortable after a hard day of work. And all of these have been possible under the visionary leadership of this man, Mr. MAH Salim, the founder and managing director of SLG. He is the biggest inspiration for the employees to excel in their respective fields.